How to add call extension in Google Ads. So first things first, when you create your Google Ads account, it will prompt you to create a campaign, right? Now under the create ad section, you want to scroll down, all the way down right here, and you'll see this option that says calls. Okay, come here, click on edit, and then you can click edit right here if you already had a number added from your account, because I had a business profile where I added my business to my Google Maps, so it automatically picked up my number. So here is my extension, my country, and then I have my phone number right here. And we have the conversion action will be to use from the account settings. And you can come here on advanced options and choose maybe the date and time you want these numbers to be displayed and what days. Okay, I can click save. I'm okay with all the times. If you want to add more extensions, just click on add new call and then add your other extensions right here and then add your number. Then just click on save. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.